EU just changed phones forever. 2027 law explained. What if I told you your next phone might finally let you replace the battery yourself? No repair shop, no crazy fees. And it's not Apple or Samsung doing this, it's the EU forcing it.
Starting 2027, this new law could change how every smartphone is built, including future iPhones and Galaxy devices. But here's the twist: some phones might not even need to follow the rule.
The European Union just passed a regulation that requires all phones and tablets sold in the region to have easily replaceable batteries. That means no more glued-in batteries that cost a fortune to fix.
Now, don't get too excited. We're not going back to old-school plastic backs. This isn't 2010. Instead, companies must design devices so you can remove the battery.
Without special tools, or using tools included in the box, and without damaging the phone. So yes, modern design stays, but repair gets easier.
And it's not just phones. This rule also applies to tablets, smart gadgets, and even handheld consoles. Devices like the Nintendo Switch 2 are already being designed with replaceable batteries in mind. Here's where it gets interesting. Some phones might be exempt. If a battery can still hold 80% capacity after 1,000 charge cycles, it may not need to follow the full replaceability rule. And guess what? Newer models like the iPhone 15 already hit that level. Apple isn't ignoring this either. They already offer DIY repair kits, but their hardware chief, John Ternus, focuses more on durability than easy repairs. So instead of making batteries removable, Apple may just make them last longer. And honestly, users are split. Some people love this because battery health is the #1 reason phones slow down. Others worry, will phones get thicker? Will waterproofing get worse?
Here's the bigger picture. Big brands like Samsung will have to adapt. Future devices like the Samsung Galaxy S27 sold in Europe must comply.
And if this feels familiar,
Yeah, this is exactly how USB-C took over the world. So this isn't just a Europe thing. It could change smartphones everywhere. Longer-lasting devices, easier repairs, less waste, and maybe fewer reasons to upgrade every year. So what do you think? Would you trade a thinner phone for a replaceable battery? Comment below and follow for more tech updates like this.